Fascinating facts about pandas: nature's adorable giants. Pandas are known for their distinctive black and white coloring, making them easily recognizable. These playful creatures primarily inhabit the bamboo forests of China, crucial for their survival. Bamboo makes up 99% of a panda's diet, and they consume up to 40 pounds daily. With around 1,800 pandas left in the wild, conservation efforts are vital for their future. Dedicated reserves and breeding programs are helping increase panda populations and protect their habitats. Join us in protecting these amazing animals for future generations.